So this is gaming earphones or headphones. Acro Engineering Company. What have they engineered? And this is very important. Splitter cable. Main stuff. This is a 1,000 rupees code for World of Warship tanks. You can buy tank stickers and stuff. This is the main deal. Cotton, plastic, very thick cables. Use with PC. Quality is a bit down. Volume. Max, min, LR, LR. I'll be using it. This is an Esports microphone. This is how the microphone sounds like. It is pretty low, pretty low. If anyone can hear me, then it is good, but the microphone is pretty bad. I guess now the audio quality will be a little bit better, and if you can keep a hand in front of your mouth, it gets the best. But other than that, there are no issues with this microphone.